There's no doubt that many plagues tarnish the world as we know it. From hunger, to disease, to birth defects, to war, it seems like there is no end to the struggle. Then there are folks out there who add more evil to the game of life. I'm referring to drug addiction and alcoholism. What is the point of all this? These are without a doubt choices that can be made. So many people struggle without the benefit of choices, and yet others choose to destroy themselves. Does this ring any bells with anyone? What a stupid question, huh? Maybe you or someone you know has been afflicted with drug addiction? Are you aware of the initial reason for taking the drugs? My guess is stupidity. Possibly a lack of willpower or autonomy. I will be the first to admit that I have no sympathy or compassion for those who suffer from drug addictions. The only way I can see it as something inflicted upon another is if it was passed from mother to child before birth. That is a tragedy, no doubt. Now, for all the people out there who choose drugs for mere pleasure or recreational fun, you could die for all I care. This is a burden you are intentionally imposing upon yourself. You would have to be stuck at the level of a kindergartner to be this idiotic. My 7-year-old even knows not to take drugs. One thing is for certain, if you are stuck in a rut and simply can't break free of your drug addiction, then you'd better acquire some assistance. Have a friend or relative help you. Get into rehab as soon as physically possible. The quicker the better. Read all you can on drug addiction and the infinite problems that go along with it. In my opinion, it's a simply pros and cons topic. What are the pros? Drugs may offer you some sort of escapism. I don't doubt that. Guess what? Film and reading offer escapism too. Now, what are the cons of drug addiction? Ha, are you kidding me? The list will go on forever. Why not start with financial ruins, loss of health, loss of friends and family, and loss of career? This is just to get started. So before you make the decision to try some useless drug, I'd remember the pros and cons.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.